Hello everyone, you were asking me for more vegetarian recipes, so I made something for you. I will teach you delicious Christmas recipe with cauliflower, cheddar sauce, pickles and almonds. So let's do it. And let's start with roasted cauliflower. I peel it, wash it, and I cut few nice chunks. You can also make different sizes and shapes for your situation and the portion you want to make. For my seasoning, I use mustard, olive oil, salt and lemon juice. Feel free to adjust it for your taste or add more spices if you like. And I just brush it on the top of the cauliflower and I will bake it at 190 degrees Celsius until the cauliflower is soft and gets color. For my size, around 20 minutes. So the cauliflower is inside the oven. So now let's make the cheddar sauce. You start with basic bechamel. Mix the same amount of plain flour and butter and cook it for a few minutes without getting any color. Then gradually add milk until you get roughly the right consistency for the sauce. I season it with nutmeg, chili and salt. At this point, you have to cook it on low heat for at least 15 minutes so you get rid of the taste of the flour. And to make cheddar sauce, we have to put some cheddar, so I cut it into smaller pieces and slowly melt it in. And of course, one piece has to be for my food inspector, because we all know how the cheese tax works, right? In the end, you can experiment also with different cheeses and make your own sauce. To boost the color and taste, I decided to put also some sweet paprika, and the sauce is done. For my garnish, I want to make some pickles. Today, I will make some leek and shallots, but of course you can use even different vegetables. They will work very well with this dish because there is a lot of fat inside the sauce, so the sourness from the pickles will cut it through. I cut the rings from the shallots. You can make them smaller or bigger depending on how much you like them. Similar thing I do with leek, but I want to wash it inside, so I cut it in the half. Then I make a basic pickle with vinegar, water, sugar and spices. I never really measured these things, because it doesn't matter that much as people think. I would say try to make around 3:1 ratio for water and vinegar, and the rest you can play around with. And just bring it to the boil. Cover the vegetables and leave them at the room temperature to cool down. And if you enjoyed today's recipe, don't forget to give a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, leave the comment below and I will help you. I want to make something crunchy inside, so I will roast some almond flakes until colored, and I use them later on for the plating. And as the last garnish, I will make easy deep fried capers. They will work with this recipe and give me nice crispiness and taste. So I just dry the capers on the paper towel and then I deep fry them in the oil around 150 degrees Celsius, around 30 seconds until they open and gets crispy. Dry them on paper towel again and they are ready for the plating. And by the way, if you're passionate home cook and would you like to take your home cooking to the next level, understand how to create your own dishes, how to cook them without any recipes, how to be creative in general, or how to improve plating once for all, check out the link in the description down below and apply for my one-on-one online coaching. And if you will be good fit, I will personally help you to reach your cooking goals. And now, let's finish the dish. Cauliflower is nicely golden, so I transfer it carefully onto the plate and then I put a bunch of my cheddar sauce on the top. A little bit spicy and very rich. Next are capers, nice and crispy. Sour, pickled shallots and leek. My roasted almonds, and keep in mind that you can always adjust the amounts of these for your taste. And I will finish it with some parsley leaves and dill. So what do you think, guys? Would you eat it or would you need some meat in? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to learn another cool vegetarian recipe, check out this video and learn my dish with carrots, citruses and walnuts. Thank you for watching, and I see you soon.